Most people only touch their car when something breaks, but that's a costly habit. Here are 5 unexpected car maintenance tips that could save you serious money over time. Tip number 1. Clean your battery terminals. That crusty white stuff? It's corrosion. It increases resistance, weakens starts, and can fry your alternator, a fix that'll run you hundreds. But before you touch anything, check your vehicle's manual or safety guidelines. Once you're clear, use baking soda, water, and a wire brush. 5 minutes, done. Tip number 2. Check tire pressure monthly. Why? Underinflated tires reduce fuel economy and wear out faster. That's like throwing money out the window. Use a portable digital tire inflator. Many cost under $30 and plug right into your car. You'll check the pressure and top it off in minutes. No gas station stops needed. Totally worth it. Tip number 3. Swap your cabin air filter yearly. Most people skip this, but a clogged filter makes your blower motor work harder, which means more fuel use and sooner HVAC repairs. Tip number 4. Lube your door seals with silicone spray. It prevents cracking, stops annoying squeaks, and keeps your interior insulated, saving on heating and AC costs. These aren't your typical change oil tips. They're overlooked, affordable habits that protect your wallet in the long run. Want more smart car tips? Hit subscribe, drop a like, and keep your ride and bank account running smooth.